Hello, and welcome to Rise and Sky Immigration. Today, we are delving into a groundbreaking development in Canadian immigration law, Bill C-71. This legislation, spearheaded by Immigration Minister Mark Miller, aims to revolutionize citizenship laws, particularly regarding citizenship by descent. Let's dive into the key provisions and implications of this transformative bill. Expanding citizenship by descent. Bill C-71 marks a significant departure from traditional citizenship policies by extending citizenship by descent beyond the first generation. What does this mean? Well, individuals born abroad to a Canadian parent, who was themselves born abroad before the Act's enactment, will now automatically be granted Canadian citizenship. Additionally, children born overseas and adopted by Canadian parents beyond the first generation will have access to direct citizenship grants. Residency requirements. To qualify for citizenship transmission, parents born abroad must have accumulated at least 1,095 days of physical presence in Canada before their child's birth or adoption. This residency criterion emphasizes a tangible connection to Canada, reinforcing the significance of Canadian citizenship and fostering a sense of belonging among eligible individuals and their families. Addressing the plight of lost Canadians. One of the most poignant aspects of Bill C-71 is its focus on rectifying the injustices faced by lost Canadians, those who either lost or were denied citizenship due to outdated provisions in previous laws. This legislation not only reinstates citizenship for this marginalized group but also extends citizenship to their descendants. It's a testament to Canada's commitment to correcting historical inequities and upholding principles of equality and fairness. Legal background and progress. The genesis of Bill C-71 can be traced back to a pivotal ruling by the Ontario Superior Court of Justice, which deemed certain provisions of the Citizenship Act unconstitutional. Minister Mark Miller's decision not to contest this ruling underscores the government's dedication to justice and inclusivity. The bill aims to rectify past shortcomings and ensure equal treatment for all Canadians, regardless of their birthplace or lineage. Challenges and opportunities. While Bill C-71 represents a significant leap towards a more inclusive citizenship framework, it's not without its challenges. As Parliament deliberates on the bill and it progresses towards enactment, proactive communication and guidance will be crucial to inform eligible individuals about the implications and processes involved. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bill C-71 heralds a new era in Canadian citizenship law, characterized by inclusivity, fairness, and responsiveness to evolving societal needs. By expanding citizenship by descent, addressing the plight of lost Canadians, and strengthening residency requirements, Canada reaffirms its commitment to diversity and equality. As the legislation moves forward, it's essential to provide clarity and support to those affected, ensuring a seamless transition towards a more just and inclusive citizenship regime. Stay informed with Rise and Sky Immigration for the latest updates and expert insights on Canada's evolving immigration landscape. Together, let's embrace the promise of a more inclusive and welcoming Canada.